Hey guys, welcome to Epic Tech. So today I'm gonna do a new unboxing video of a smart bulb. So this is not my smart bulb, it's my friend's, so I'm just unboxing it on my channel. So this smart bulb is by Halonix. So I guess you have heard of it because it's one of the largest light bulb manufacturer of India, and it's actually a pretty good company with quality products. So let's get started with unboxing. Welcome back guys. So this is the box of the smart bulb. So let me just show the overview of the box. So here there is written made for India. It also works with Google Home, and you can download their app on Google Play and App Store. And here there is all the technical specification, manufacture date, customer care number, etc. So let me just open the box now. I'll take the bulb out. I'll just keep this aside for now. And nothing else in the box except the user manual. So this is the manual, operating manual. So I'll open this up for you guys. So here basically we have all the information on how to set up the bulb. So for now I don't need this, I'll just keep this aside. I'll take the bulb from the box. So this is the bulb right here, and let me just focus here. Here it's written color and daylight, and the voltage, the specifications of the bulb. So actually this bulb is pretty heavy when compared to the normal LED bulb. And now let me just plug into my power. So this is the power outlet. I'll just plug in like this. Okay, the bulb is pretty bright, it's blinking now, so it means it's in the pairing app. So I'll keep the bulb aside. And for the pairing mode we actually need the Wi-Fi. You can use a Geo dongle or any other extra phone you have. So I'll take my phone, I'll turn on my Wi-Fi. So the Wi-Fi is turning on now. I'll keep this aside and let it turn on. So I'll go to my settings here and I'll turn on Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi is being scanned now. Yeah, and it's connecting right now. So once the Wi-Fi is connected, you just have to head over to Play Store, and here on you can type for Halonix app. Halonix Wi-Fi. So this is the app right here. I have already installed it. So I'll just click on open. Okay, so I'll just add a device here, and it's written lighting Wi-Fi. I should click on this, and here it's asking me for the Wi-Fi password. So I'll just enter the Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi password here, and I'll click on confirm. And now the device is connecting to the bulb. So here it's showing us the percentage. And now the bulb stopped glowing, blinking. As you can see now it's static, not blinking. So I have got this message, so let me just click on done. So now there's some kind of black screen. Yeah, so now I got the basic user interface. So here maybe I can adjust the color temperature. So as you can see the color temperature is changing, so from the ambience mode to cool daylight, and here I have the brightness. So the bulb is actually pretty bright, and we have some other modes too, which is color. So I'll just go to the color mode, and here basically I can change the color of the bulb. So these are all kinds of color, and here we have the brightness. And what is this? Okay, so it's a temperature kind of thing, and basically it's fine tuning for the color. And here we have scene mode also. So basically there are many kinds of scene: night, read, working, leisure, and many more. So I'll just skip for that. Then we have the music mode also. So when I speak loudly, or click the microphone of the phone, basically pretending as if I'm playing a music, the color of the bulb changes, as you can see. So now let's configure it with Google, so that the bulb can be controlled from your Google Assistant. So I'll just go to the Google Home app. So this app is available on Play Store, it's free. So once you're here, just click on this plus button, and here press on setup device. So here you have to click on the second option, which is works with Google. So I'll just click on that, and now it's loading. And here I have to find for the Halonix, Halonix Wi-Fi. As you can see, it's here. So I'll just click on that, and now it took me to the Halonix page. So once the page is loaded, we get this screen in which it asks you for your phone number, email address, and your password of your Halonix app. So I just enter that and come back. So now it's asking me for some disclaimer, so I'll just click on authorize. So now it's signing in and linking my bulb to the Google Home app. So once that's done, just go back, and here you can see the bulb, and I'll just click on the bulb icon, and I'll just press on. So the bulb should turn on. Yeah, it's on. And now I'll just try changing the brightness, and the brightness is also working fine. So I'll just press on color, and I'll just click on some random colors. Yep, the colors are working fine too. And now let me just go to my assistant and see if that works. Turn off the bulb. Turn off the bulb.
Got it. Turning off the Halonix prizm Wi-Fi bulb.
Now I'll just give another command. Change the bulb color to yellow.
Got it. Changing the Halonix prizm Wi-Fi bulb to yellow.
And as you can see, when I turn on the bulb, the color is yellow. And now let me change some other color. Change the bulb color to blue.
Got it. Changing the Halonix prizm Wi-Fi bulb to blue.
So as you can see, the bulb is working perfectly fine with both apps. So hey guys, if you do end up liking the video, click the like button here, and also share the video, and do subscribe my channel because it really helps me out. Thank you for being here. See you next time.